What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy, JUDL12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And today I'll be giving you guys a quick look at the Roger Federer 95 Neon. And before we get started, guys, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids like these. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate all the love, support, and for the new subscribers that I have been getting, I appreciate that. Guys, continue to comment on the channels. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think about some of my collection. I have many more coming. And also, let me start out by giving a huge shout out to Big Bro TD501. Guys, if you haven't checked out my Big Bro's Instagram page, you can find him at TD501 on IG. Mine, you can find me at JUDL12 on IG, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Now, before we get started, once again, let me also give a huge thank you to my big bro TD501 for letting me review his pair of Roger Federers. These released on March the 9th via Sneakers app. And also it was a drawing on a Nike Sneakers app. Shout out to Big Bro on that for winning that. I struck out on them. I actually tried, but I didn't get them. But definitely will be getting my pair soon. So stay tuned for that. But shout out to Big Bro for letting me review these. And if you actually hadn't seen those up close, and there's your Nike receipt. I always like to show that when we get that from Nike. And if you hadn't actually seen these up close, I don't know if my camera's picking up that 3M, but these are pretty fire. When you get these in hand, these are pretty dope. There's your outsole there. And you got your Air Max 95 look to them, the neon look. If you hadn't seen my vid on the Air Max 95s, go check that out in my playlist. I will have that down in the playlist. Definitely going to look at that. Those are absolute fire also. But on your tongue there, you got your RF for Roger Federer. These are the Roger Federer PEs. There's your box there, and I always joke about it, so it actually look like FedEx on the box a little bit, but pretty dope. It's on you. Let's look at the back tab. You got your 3M with Nike Air. Shout out to the stamp on there. Nike check there. Insole. Very, very nice. Very, very nice design shoe. Very dope. And your other shoe here, you have your same details there. 3M popping all over this thing. Very sweet. But there's your box. Let you guys see that box a little better. There on your side there. Got that. Boom. And bam. Got your Roger Federer on the back. So overall, guys, very, very nice shoe. Very, very nice. I don't know how many was produced, but I think it's not that many of them. They're pretty limited with it being on the Nike Sneakers app, being via draw. So definitely, guys, I just want you guys to get a quick look, quick review. And guys, continue to subscribe to the channel. I have more coming. Stay tuned. Go click the playlist, guys. I have more heat coming, so continue to rock with me. So this has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This has been the Bubba Files. Let go.